Introducing the new Quinny Mood, the ultra-modern complete pushchair system that offers comfort and flexibility, ensuring you and your little one get the most out of your day every day. Suitable from birth, the Quinny Mood offers 3 recline positions, including lie flat in both forward and parent-facing directions, while the Baby Nest makes it a comfortable choice for newborns. Beautifully modern with curves in all the right places, the Mood features a futuristic and innovative seat with a choice of stylish black or white frame. For compact transportation, this stroller is easy to fold, and simply at the push of a button it unfolds again in seconds, great for when you're on the go. Memory buttons allow you to remove the seat unit with one hand. The handle of the Quinny Mood is height adjustable, and its footrest can be adjusted too. To build the perfect travel system, you can conveniently combine the Quinny Mood with a Maxi Cozy baby car seat or the Quinny foldable carry cot. Complete with Baby Nest, sun canopy with 50+ UV protection, rain cover, parasol clip and shopping basket, the Mood is available in 6 striking colours. Adaptable, complete and stylish, the new Quinny Mood is poetry in motion.